Lasolinge, welcome back to the Saturday grammar class. We are studying the Essential English Grammar course by Raymond Murphy. Today we are at Unit 44. We're going to look at how do we use who saw you, what did you see? Kaptu nganjugi second form of verb pijuchene kandilago yoris. Tiwa tidu nipa di kare chadur lana helping verb di nganjugi past tense nanglo lalap. Second form of verb di pijuchi. Main verb di nganju first form of verb chaziki ngo thangbo di rang la shani kandichene pijuchi yor le chyor wa dire. Ta thangbo di kare chado Sylvia Paul do de doara ani Sylvia gyablo neta de doa. Ta Sylvia saw Paul. Sylvia ki Paul thong re la du di nganjugi simple past chadur wa subject plus second form of verb plus object. Ta who saw Paul? Paul ki su thong re la sorry, who saw Paul? Su ki Paul thong re la origina. Sylvia saw Paul. Sylvia ki Paul thong res. Ta thiwa nyi ba dikhare who did Sylvia see? Sylvia ki su thong sung la origina. Right? Sylvia ki su thong res. Dila du sambo la nganju ki did la the second form of verb nang let's swa chazi ki ngo nyi ba. La du sambo main verb dikhare khatui ne chazi ki ngo thangbo share ra jopa chi ki nang lo la past tense ni chazi ki ngo ni namyang li ma right an nor de wo ra chezang nganju ki ta dinde yin ba ina past tense chazi ki ngo ni wa share dikhare helping verb main verb di khatui ne chazi ki ngo thangbo share ra ane who did Sylvia see? Sylvia ki su thong su le jo ra len dikhare Sylvia ki Paul thong su le jo ra thongye di Sylvia yang na she ani thongwa di Paul sorry thongwa la pos I'm so sorry thongwa la so ani thongye di khare thongre Paul diche Sylvia saw Paul Sylvia ki Paul thong re le di khare subject ani object chepapo chayul ra ta di nanglo la chepapo di sure Sylvia cha somebody saw Paul ra thongye di ka sure la na subject res su thongwa di khare object res ra ta nganju ki su le jo ra who saw Paul Paul su thong re la du nganju geja kora nanglo la saw Paul le thiwa nang dus kora le swa chejang ani thiwa thende ji le wara ji na Sylvia ra thongye de ming je bu ji la che ta chamjam khande le la wara ji na who did Sylvia see tela Sylvia ki thongwa di da la chadwa ine Sylvia ki su thong re le jo ra thidu nganju ki khari la go yor la wara ji na ani nganju ki object nanglo la I'm so sorry chaji ki ngo ni pa che main verb di nganju ki ngo thangbo di ra ani somebody danda di su thongwa di su thong na Paul thong ra who did Sylvia see Sylvia ki su thong ris Sylvia ki Paul thong ris ra di che thongye di sure subject su thong re la na chayul object Paul ra tirang re da okay ta bi din anjik sing na in these questions tiwa den ro who and what is the subject sudang khari ledi chepapo gi desana cha de yor da penachashana who lives in this house khangbat na su digi yore le jo ro tendre la ora jina an nganjo gi su digi yo ba tenzin digi yo ba ina an tenzin the subject chepapo gi subject na le swa tendre ro what happened khari chung re la ora jina tadi what le de khari ne chu khari chung re la de gan li yor ro tila de sambo subject ke sajal le swa diche what's happening what is happening right khari chung de yore le de nang la what apostrophe st is le de che who's got my key the apostrophe st has to the who has got my key nge moda de mi sulak bali yo le che ra ta di zo ganjong what who dang what le di chepapo ki subject sajala yo pa che ta jama di nang la in these questions who and what is the object dige chopat nang la su da khare le de khare cha de na chayul gi sajala penachashna who did you meet yesterday khazan su to ga drawing le jor ra ta di nang la len ko who le di thuksa yul de chikbu ji session di gorda tenzin la jo to yim baina tik di yorda what did Paul say? Paul ki khari lap so le jo ra lap yo ti chikbu la war jin ti gorda thank you ra yana len changma le na Paul said thank you lani tus le che who are you phoning sula khabar dang di use kisi tangsa di le yin ba ina tenzin la ne ti gore changma le yin ba ina I am phoning tenzin tendel la na what was Sylvia wearing Sylvia ki khari kyen de shas a beautiful top. Unjuning jumushilana itigore yam len sangmalena. Silver was wearing a beautiful top. Tata di Japanese. George likes oranges. George orange go yoris. Jill wants some money. Jill pisha khashis chitopri le jorwa. Ta thangbo George likes oranges le dinang lola. Who likes oranges? Di ganye di sure. Taluma ganye di George. Right? What does George like? Orange. Tangi badalta. Who wants some money? Pisha topnya di sure. Jill. What did Jill win? Jill khari thobre. 100 pound gya thobre lejo ra di thiwat nan chik ta ra thangbo di bai na nganju gi khare subject verb object le swara ni pa di bai na nganju gi what does George like simple present ra do does George nyam do la khar lir na does ani simple present na thiwa thi yo di che ni pa di who wants some money ta didu su ki pesha thobre le jorwa di hu dang hu ni di khare ki object ki saja kan thisha dwara dusra re da what did Jill win Jill ki khari thobre le jorwa 100 dala did le this chachi ki ngo ni pali du thang main word ti chachi ki ngo thang bo ra na sha ra duscha use who for people who led me what led chala khari led cha de ro tindo who is your favorite singer she tang ye gashu su in le who what is your favorite song? She gashu khari ladi ngopo do jimbaina ani khari ladi chadiyo ra what? Dicha. Tanganju exercises chiginda tangbo. Make questions with who or what. In these questions, who and what is the subject ra. Dige changma lang who the what piju chere and to do who the what ladi anganju chepapo ki sajana shayar da tangbo. Somebody broke the window. Michigi gigun chasha le juara ta thiwa nanglo la gigun sui chasha le di la go ra who broke the window ra ani ni padela somebody fell off something fell off the shelf thab shasa dene magic jar sung le juara de nanglo la ngaju gi thiwa se na what fell off the shelf what fell off the shelf ni ma khari jar sungs ta somebody wants to see you somebody mirwa ani thiwana khari laire who wants to see me ra somebody took my umbrella somebody la na who la mi la ra who took my umbrella something ta what la de ra something made me ill chiginga ne ba su sung la di what made you ill khari gi kyun ne pa su sung last de lengi so su chainda make questions with who or what subject or object ta dinang lo langa ju susu gi subject re do object re do ani thiwa susu suerda I bought something ngi chik ngui le jorwa ani chik ngwe charwa ta thiwa thidu sambola what did you buy khari ngui is did second chaji ki ngo ni ba main verb di chaji ki ngo thangbo somebody lives in this house simple present who lives in this house thiwa yang simple present I phoned somebody thiwa di khare do past tense na re do chejang anjo gi simple past na thiwa ra who did you ani chaji gi ngo thangbo phone sul phone lines something happened last night khazan chik chung su le jorwa ta mi marwa chejang what happened main verb the et na le saswa ta digor the what helping verb yomar the what happened last night thida somebody knows the answer right simple present chesang anjo gi thiwa de simple present nan thiwa somebody la du mi chik la du su la ora who knows the answer len the situation use somebody did the washing up chigi washing up chesos ta anjo gi who did the washing up Jill did something Jill ki chik chesongs ta checharwa chezang thiwa thidi what did Jill do something woke me up chi nga ni se ni cha ya lang su le jora ani what woke you up rata nge la guba di chi chupa chukji chungi leng so nang le inda Somebody saw the accident. Chigi accident thong sun past simple past thiwa simple past nang kan thiwa who saw the accident? ACCIDENT question mark. Okay. Next. You want the missing information XXX. Write questions with who or what. The la XXX la di ni chui di ngan gi sure kharre la di imba ha ko go yor terwa. The thiwa who the what position tierwa. I lost XXX yesterday, but unfortunately XXX found it and gave it back to me. Nga dango chikla so ina chikla nye sha an ngal chulo so la dila. Tangbo dila I lost XXX la di khatito. What did you lose? Karilla suns. Ani dash XXX lang me the wrong dash lang in the dash found it. La di who found it? Ra. That in the roti was where the next. Dash phoned me last night. Who la rata? Who phoned you? Chirang sui kabadang sons. Ani she wanted dash. Mola di go to ledger. Ta di tiwa di karela. What did she wanted marwa want? Kachinana did past tense na. Let's harwa. I needed some advice, so I asked dash. Ta sula gejatin la who did you ask? Sula gejatins. He said dash. Ani kogi karela song. What did he say? Kyo karela songs. I hear that Dash got married last week. The who got married? Right? Ani Dash told me. Who told you? I met Dash on my way home this evening. Who did you meet? Sutuksungs. She told me Dash. What did she tell you? Steve and I played tennis yesterday. Dash won. Who won? Sutopsungs. After the game, we dash. After the game, karlage. Karichinlade. What did you do? Tendero last language ogichine. Anjolop sendus shangi.